Once again, let's talk about Coinbase. Now, there's been an attack on Coinbase concerning Terra Classic Coin, okay? And for the fact that LUNC was listed on Coinbase before the crash, I don't know if I would say some few people that lost a lot of money on Terra Classic recently, saying why should Coinbase not support Terra Classic? They lost a lot of money using Coinbase, and now this coin is struggling to stand. And they love the fact that Binance, Kucoin, Crypto.com, these companies have been standing with Terra Classic just to fix things. Fixing things means getting the coin back, then helping few people that lost a lot to make their money back. Now, for Coinbase, they said, look, we are not. They removed the coin, they delist it, and they have nothing to do with Terra Classic. After a year and Terra Classic really pumped, we are happy to see Terra Classic hitting over $1 billion market cap, again increasing, and even though since the crash, they've gained over almost 500% increase. So that shows you, assume they still have more support, they would have hit towards 700 or 800%. Then from there, they believe in the nearest future we might end up seeing the coin hitting 10,000% or more. Now imagine some people who lost money and decided to buy some few coins, they would have made a lot of profit. Okay, someone putting $100 and 10,000%, you know what it means? There's a lot of money, $10,000 with $100. So people are not happy for the fact that Coinbase is not supporting Terra Classic. Coinbase have not listed Terra Classic, even though there are rumors that Coinbase will list Terra Classic. So, and I believe Coinbase, I saw someone wanted to reply, even though they're doing this on Coinbase Twitter and some social media, and keep saying, we are not against listing any coin, but if any coin meets up with our terms and conditions, and it's a good coin, definitely we can list such coin on Coinbase. But if you fell out of our terms and conditions, of course they have rules and regulations, they will definitely remove such coin, even though the coin is a crash or not. So it's very simple, okay? So I believe Coinbase have the right to list, they have the right not to. But they should understand these people are just angry. All they want to see is the progress. All they want to see is to see Terra Classic coin improve. They want to see Terra Classic coin bounce back. They want to see Terra Classic LUNC increases, so that some people who have invested will see good return on investment. They want to see people make profit, and they want to see people smile once again to the bank. So that is why I believe they're not saying they are not listening, and I also have strong feeling they will definitely leave Terra Classic. But first of all, LUNC need to survive and bounce back. Remember, this is not the financial advice of this. Can do your own research before taking any decisions.